Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with 2 quick checks. VS Code is installed and Windows has CMD, exe available. Once confirmed, open VS Code and press Ctrl+ to open settings. In the search field, type Terminal, Integrated, Default Profile, Windows to jump directly to the profile setting. Make sure you run VS Code with normal privileges. You do not need admin rights for this. If a setting lock icon appears, click the gear and choose Open Settings, JSON. So you can edit the configuration directly. Now you change the default. First, open Terminal, New Terminal to confirm the active shell. Next, in Settings, search for Default Profile and pick Command Prompt from the dropdown. Once selected, new terminals will launch CMD. If you prefer JSON, open Settings, JSON and add or edit Terminal. Integrated, Profiles, Windows with a command prompt object pointing to C, \\Windows system 32 \CMD. EXE, then set Terminal. Integrated, Default Profile, Windows, Command Prompt. This ensures predictable behavior across new terminal instances. To finish, close terminals and open a fresh terminal or restart VS Code. You should now see Command Prompt. If it does not appear, make sure the CMD exe path is correct and that your settings JSON has valid JSON, missing commas break profiles. If issues persist, open Help, toggle Developer Tools and check the console for errors. It often points to malformed settings or permission issues. Once resolved, you have CMD as your default terminal and can continue developing with a familiar shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.